Hello dear friends, welcome to SVA testing room. And now I'm going to introduce this machine is for testing the double sliding door kits. This is the anti-jumping nails, and this is attribute of double sliding door kits. And we are doing this testing by 24 hours per day, and you can count how many times have been tested, and make sure all these essentially with a long service life, high quality, and make sure it has a really good user experience with a really silent, smooth. If you are interested in our sliding door kits, please feel free to contact us, and we will send you more videos or samples or our test reports. Thank you.